Welcome to Missouri City, Texas, and the walkthrough video tour of this fabulous estate. On 1.45 acres with a circular driveway, this family home is one story with an impressive front porch. It's so stately, built in '99, offering 4 spacious bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. This gorgeous home has over 3,200 square feet. Luxury, style, and pride of ownership, with a home office and dining room right off the front. Connected to the family kitchen with a butler's pantry in view. A large pantry so easily organized. With the utility room nearby, multitasking's never been so easy. This gorgeous kitchen has so many countertops, cabinets, and lots of natural light and space. This home is a perfect blend of sophisticated design and everyday functionality. The living room is superb, and look at that view. Here's a half bathroom. With 2 more full bathrooms in this home, it's so convenient. What a great opportunity. This home is absolutely superb. Breathtaking upon first impression. Notice the fireplace, the beautiful flooring, and so much gorgeous light. Everything is very private in this home, while still remaining wide open and naturally lit. The primary bedroom with a separate seating area and bay windows. Access to the outside. Gorgeous amounts of space, and your very own spa-like bathroom where privacy continues. With a large walk-in closet, a corner jetted tub, and plenty of room for organization, as there's shelving already built for you. This generously sized 4-bedroom home with 2.5 bathrooms awaits you. Imagine the children growing up and enjoying these rooms. Memories made here. With a neutral paint palette, this home is move-in ready. There's even a built-in desk here, where your little one can create so many projects and memories. Look at the beautiful yard that awaits you. Not only is the location amazing of this home and all the details inside and the square footage, but you're on a lush estate, 1.45 acres. This could all be yours. Don't miss the opportunity to make this home yours. It's absolutely everything you've ever dreamt of. Welcome to Missouri City and your forever home.